So today we have subtracting linear expressions, and the very first thing is you must distribute that negative sign outside the parentheses to every term inside the parentheses. This is subtraction. This is minus, so we're going the opposite way. So, for example here, we've got 5x plus 4, can't combine that in parentheses, minus 3x plus 2. I want you to just look at this. Look at what it's saying. It's saying the opposite of 3x plus 2. So you need to go through and you need to change everything. I'm just going to stay with that language of distribute it. And you need to change. Do the opposite of 3x. Do the opposite of 2, a positive 2. So what this is going to become is it's going to become 5x plus 4. The opposite of positive 3x is negative 3x. And the opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. Now you can combine like terms and simplify. So 5x and negative 3x. That's going to give you 2x. And then we've got a positive 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is positive 2. There it is, simplified. You have to distribute that negative sign to everything in that second term there. So, negative 4x minus 6, great. But look, minus negative x minus 3. You need to take that negative sign and distribute it across. It's going to change everything in there. So, we're going to have negative 4x minus 6, and then what's the opposite of negative x? Well, the opposite of a negative is a positive x. And what's the opposite of negative 3? The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So now you can go through and combine. So we've got negative 4x plus x. It's going to give you negative 3x. And then negative 6 plus 3 is going to give you negative 3. I do not know why I keep using all these double numbers. I am so sorry. All right. I believe that's it. I don't think I have another example here. Let me check real quick. Oh, I do. I'm sorry about that. So here we go. Real world example. So the expression 8x plus 50 represents the total amount of money the soccer team earned from selling an X amount of t-shirts. If the team had to pay 2x plus 24 in expenses, write an expression to represent their profit. Well, they had a total, oops, I need a pen here. They had a total of 8x plus 50. All right, that's what they made. And they had to pay, that is being subtracted, their expenses. So how much did they pay? Well, they had 8x plus 50. Take that negative sign and distribute it. It's almost like having a negative 1. Well, it is like having a negative 1 there. So negative 1 times 2, or what's the opposite of 2? Negative 2x. And then what's the opposite of positive 24? Negative 24. Now you can combine like terms. We've got 8x minus 2x, which is going to give you 6x. And then 50 minus 24 is going to give you 26. All right, that would be your final answer there. All right, we're going to do a lot more of these examples in class. We'll see you then.